Welcome back to another video. So how you can update your Windows manually? How you can do that? First of all, open the settings. When you open the settings, you can see the last option here in left hand side, Windows updates. Okay, click on that. When you click on that, click on check for update. If Windows updates are available, you can see from here. Okay, so click on check for updates. Okay, so my Windows system is already up to date. If any update are not updated, I'll, I can see them in here. Okay, so I'll just click them and it will automatic update. Okay, so automatic mean it's actually it's manual. Okay, so not automatic, it's manual. Okay, so just if I have any update here, I can see update here and click on update, then they update manually. Okay, I'll just manually click and update and it updated. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video, and if you like this type of content, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Bye.